Planner creators, this is a video on how you can modify and customize the 2025 Portrait Planner template that comes included with PDF-Linkr on PowerPoint. So if you just like the template, there will be a link to purchase it. If you want to get this template as a bonus with PDF-Linkr, there'll be a link below to do that, and then also a link to the how to link this planner video. So let's get started. When you download your template, you want to open um, your template. You want to make a copy of it, of course, and then what you want to do is you want to go to View, Slide Master. And you might have some words here on your template. Just delete those words. That's fine. So then what you want to do is you want to select this top layer of the cover, and you can use color, you can use an image. I'm going to use a picture. Now I want to show you how you can change the like sometimes you'll put it in there and it'll make the image skewed. So what you can do is just go to picture here and then adjust the width and the height of the inserted picture so it's not skewed. So that's how you do that. So now I'm just going to select my planner band, and let's just grab a color from our cover. I don't really like that one. Let's go with this one. That's better. So that's been applied. So then what we want to do is you want to go down to your next master page, your calendar overview again. Select your background, okay, and then we're going to go to picture fill, and it's going to automatically put our last chosen picture in there. So then I'm going to select my planner band, and I'm going to select the color that I chose. So now you can do your tabs. You can change all of your tabs at one time, or you could ungroup them up here in your shape format. You would go up here to group, and you could ungroup your tabs, and then you could click on each individual one and change them all. So then I'm going to go to my monthly, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to select my background and use my picture, select my planner band, and select my color. And same thing with my tabs. There we go. So I'm going to do that for all of my pages. So this is my weekly Monday start. So I'm going to select my picture and my color of my planner band, and then my tabs, and then this is my daily page. So same thing here. It's all a little bit repetitive for just a little bit. But then once you have that done, then your planner is all created for you. And last one. Okay, So now let's exit out of our master view. So now here is our created planner with all of our dates and our monthly calendar. This is the Monday start. It comes with the Sunday start as well. Here's all of our dated weekly days, pages. Now, one thing about you might want to check with this particular template, just check on your weekly pages if you have a duplicate page, which we do in this. So what we want to do is we just want to delete that slide right there. There we go. And now we have all of our correctly dated pages. Now let's go all the way down to the bottom as well, because I want to add a note page here. So what we want to do is we want to say new slide, and we want to tell it that we want it to be our notes page. There we go. And now our planner is completely ready to go. Now all we have to do now is go to File, Export, PDF. And then that's going to save that as a PDF. And we want it to be standard publishing, not publishing online. So you just say publish, and then your PDF is ready to go to the next step to add all of the links with PDF-Linkr.